Hi guys, welcome back with the last Sudoku. Well, it's not a Sudoku, it's a Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah, 4 stars. Let me mark those correctly. And it's in additional of the newspaper of Monday. Monday, February the 15th, 2021. And this will be a number 2333. 2333. Yes. Alright. Before I start, I'm always curious how many pointer digits are in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12? No, 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 no. Cannot be. 5. Yeah, 12. So, could be a hard one. Yes, could be a hard one. 12. And a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve this. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single box. I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Here also a single box. The single box is a 1. Do we have a dual box? Here we have a dual box. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. It contains the 1 and a 2 here also. A 1 and a 2. Do we have triple boxes? No. We have a quadra box. Then some construction you need to know. For example, the T construction, this upside down. Yes, the T. This box. We have a triple box here. The 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. This box has the same number as that box. So 1 and a 2. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more T construction? No. Then, so this box is the same as that box. Okay. Then this kind of construction. This box has the same as that box. Alright. This box. Same like that. This box. And you can rotate this figure or construction or shape in 4 direction or in mirror. You can mirror it. Look, it's the same shape. So this box is the same as has the same number as that box. Also here the same shape. This box is the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then, yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Well, I see here 1, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And automatically this box should be also a 2. This triple box, 1, 2, and 3, this should be a 1. Okay. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Alright. Let me see. These 3, no. Those 2 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be here. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 4. Cannot be a 1 or a 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And it has the same number as in that box, so this should be also a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be at 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here. I have double 5 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 5. The 5 should be there. And this number has the same number as in that box, so this should be also a 5. 1 box left in this T construction for the number 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this construction for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this number has the same number as that box, so this should be also a 4. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. I have here double 4. That means this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So this box also cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means I have here double 1. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this is not the solution, the 1 here. So the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright. So let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. This should be a 5. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Of course, it's connected with that box, so automatically this should be a 5. Alright, and now. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 3. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 1. Now I have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Okay, now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. Okay. 3, 5. This should be also 3, 5. 2. This box cannot be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left for the 5. Yes. Now we have a 4 there. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. Alright, finished. 3, 5. Okay, 4, 1, 2. This should be also 3, 5. Okay, this box should be a 4 because it's a quadra box. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. So automatically it will be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this should be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 5. 3 numbers left. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And the final number of this big square should be the 3. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. I like this one. Yes, although it has 12 printed digits. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. I hope tomorrow there's a newspaper, because last week we didn't receive any newspaper, and today also no newspaper because of the weather. So I hope they deliver tomorrow my newspaper. Yes, publisher, I need my newspaper tomorrow. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.